Managing teams shouldn't feel complicated. What if everything you needed, visibility, control, and productivity, came together in one place? Let's take a quick look at how it works.
Getting started is simple. Just enter the required details and you're ready to go within minutes. During sign-up, you'll be asked to choose between TeamTrace, our exclusive workforce visibility software, and FieldTrace, one of the best field employee monitoring solutions available. For this walkthrough, go ahead and select TeamTrace. Once you're inside, you'll see a prompt giving you the option to switch between our two products. Since you already selected TeamTrace during sign-up, you can simply dismiss this pop-up, or confirm your choice by selecting TeamTrace from the pop-up menu. Adding your team is quick and effortless. Simply enter each user's details, their name, and either their email ID or phone number. The People ID is auto-generated, so no extra steps there. Next, select the appropriate group, team, or department, or create a new one on the spot if needed. Then, pick a job title or create a new one right from the interface. Follow that up by selecting the department, team, or group along with the reporting job title. Finally, assign roles. That's all it takes to make sure every team member has exactly what they need. Nothing more, nothing less.